بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Now one thing that stands out about Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu, and Hazur has spoken about this, he mentions his incidences of generosity and compassion and love for the brothers and sisters of Islam, where the Muslims in Medina were again suffering from a famine and a drought. Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu, at this time he is returning from a business trip, and he has so many different goods with him. And the merchants and the businessmen of Medina approach him at that time, and they say to him, look, at this time we can all get together. We can happily, easily boycott all of the residents of Medina. We can bump up the prices of our goods, and we can make a huge profit, because these people are desperate. They have no choice but to buy from us. Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu, when he heard this, all of the goods that he had initially planned to sell to the people of Medina, he distributed them amongst all of the people, free of cost, without any recompense from anybody else. Now this was his generosity and his compassion for the people living there at that time.